See the next problem on method of variation of parameters. Solve y double dash minus 2y dash plus y is equal to e power x into log x by the method of variation of parameters. Okay. Solution. First of all, here we are observing that given differential equation is not in the operator form. So you should reduce the given equation into the operator form first. Okay. See. The operator form of given differential equation is, okay, y double dash is nothing but second derivative of y. That's why I will write it as d square y minus 2 into what is y dash, derivative of y with respect to x. Okay, so I will write dy because entire in this concept capital D is nothing but d by dx. That's why plus y is there is equal to e power x into log x. This can be written as d square minus 2d plus 1 of y is equal to e power x into log x. Take it equation number 1. So here what is function of d? D square minus 2d plus 1 and d is nothing but derivative with respect to x, which is known as differential operator. That's why this is called operator form. Okay, see, and the right hand side function is represented by capital R, which is nothing but e power x into log x. E power x into log x. So first of all we have to find out the complementary function as usually. Okay, so the complementary function of 1 is, for getting complementary function already you know that you have to write the auxiliary equation. So first write auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation of 1 is f of m is equal to 0. Okay, replace capital D is equal to m in this equation. So you will get m square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. So clearly we are observing that it is in the form of m minus 1 whole square. So directly I will write m minus 1 whole square as m minus 1 into m minus 1 is equal to 0. So auxiliary equation has real and repeated roots. In this case how can we write yc? Complementary function of the given equation is c1 plus c2x whole into e power x. Okay, e power this root into x. Okay, so this can be written as yc is equal to, separate the terms, c1 into e power x plus c2 into x into e power x. This is the complementary function. And let us take coefficient of c1 as u. So this is u and this is v. Okay, v is equal to x into e power x. Don't forget it. Now by the method of variation of parameters, we can take yp as, we can take pi, particular integral, as yp is equal to, so replace this c1 as capital A, remaining term is same, plus replace c2 by capital B. Okay, what is the method of variation of parameters? We have to change the parameters in the complementary functions as functions of x. So c1 is a parameter which is changed to capital A, and we have to change this parameter c2 as b. A and b are not parameters, they were functions in x, don't forget it. So b into x into e power x. Okay, here a is nothing but a of x and b is nothing but b of x. Okay, before finding the values of capital A and capital B, we have to find out the Wronskian of u and v. So Wronskian of uv is equal to determinant of, what is the Wronskian of two functions is nothing but a determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix whose first row is u and v, whose second row is their derivatives u dash v dash. So this is nothing but uv dash minus u dash v. Okay, see here what is u? E power x, similar term, and what is v dash? Derivative of x into e power x. Two functions are in product, so you can use the multiplication rule in the differentiation, don't forget it. So bracket open, derivative for the first function, which is 1 into g plus, now f is the singular term, and derivative for the second function is e power x, because derivative of e power x itself is e power x, minus u dash. What is u dash? Derivative of e power x itself into v, x into e power x. Okay, so that is equal to, split the terms, e power x into e power x. Bases are equal, that's why I will add the powers, e power x into e power x. So you will get here also x into e power 2x, and last term is x into e power x into e power x, e power 2x. These both terms getting cancelled. So Wronskian is nothing but e power 2x. Okay, so it is enough to find out the values of capital A and capital B. Now we have separate formula for A and B, already you know it because we discussed this method in previous sessions also. See, now capital A is equal to minus integral VR whole by Wronskian of UV, otherwise you can write as UV dash minus U dash V in the denominator as you wish. So minus, what is V? X into e power x, x into e power x. What is capital R? Capital R is nothing but the right hand side function in the given problem. Once you look at the statement of the given problem, in the right hand side we have e power x into log x in this problem, whole by, what is the Wronskian? E power 2x into dx. So here e power x into e power x is there in the numerator, okay, which is e power 2x, because bases are equal, then you can add the powers. So these are all getting cancelled. Minus integral x into log x. So two functions are in product inside the integration. So you should apply the integration by parts formula by using Eilert order. So this is the logarithmic function, already you know it, and x, any term in terms of x only, they were algebraic functions. Okay, any expression like a polynomial in x, then it is a algebraic function. So in this order of Eilert rule, this is the first function and this is the second function. What is the integral uv rule? I will write once here. Integral uv is nothing but u into integration v dx minus integration of derivative of the first function u dash into integration of v whole dx. Okay, now I am going to apply this formula here, this general formula. So log x, don't do anything for first term, and integration of x, which is x square by 2 minus, and don't forget one important thing, we have negative sign before the integration. Okay, minus integration of derivative for the first function, which is derivative of log x. You know it, d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. That's why derivative of u is 1 by x into again integration of x. So you are getting x square by 2 into dx. So minus, take this negative sign to inside, minus x square by 2 into log x, minus of minus plus 1x getting cancelled. So you have to write the integration of x by 2, which is x square by 2, already 2 is there, so you will get x square by 4. Okay, actually after completion of any integration we should add the arbitrary constant, but don't add any arbitrary constant here, because given differential equation is a second order differential equation, so that its general solution should contain only two parameters, that already two parameters came in complementary function. So don't take any arbitrary constant whenever you are taking the integration in the case of yp. Okay, now b value. So the formula for b is nothing but ur whole by Wronskian of uv. Okay, I will say the simplification in this side. See, now b is equal to, already I wrote the formula here, so that implies b is equal to integration of u. What is u? Only e power x into, what is r? Right hand side function, e power x into log x by Wronskian is e power 2x. So here also e power x is nothing but e power 2x. This e power 2x getting cancelled. So simply you have to find out the integration of log x. Okay, it is a direct formula in the integrations. Otherwise you can write log x as 1 into log x and apply again UV rule here. So integration of log x is x log x minus x. Okay, if you write integral log x as 1 into log x into dx, by again Eilert rule, this is the first function and this is the second function. Now you can apply integration by parts formula. You can easily get this formula, this term. Okay, see now equation number 2 implies, what is equation number 2? Yp. Replace the a value and b value in equation number 2, so you will get yp. So a value, which is minus x squared by 2 into log x plus x squared by 4 into, so product of a is e power x plus b value into, which is x log x minus x into x into e power x. Okay, so separate the terms, you will get minus x square into e power x into log x by 2 plus x square into e power x by 4 plus x into x square into e power x into log x minus x square into e power x. That's enough. Okay, so by taking the LCM for these two terms, 2 is the LCM, so you will get minus 1 plus 2, it would be plus 1. So x square into e power x into log x whole by 2 only, and by taking the LCM of this term and the last term, what is the LCM? 4 is the LCM. So x square e power x minus 4 into x square e power x. So you will get minus 3 x square e power x by 4. Okay, this is the simplest form of yp. Okay, and don't forget an important thing, at the climax of this problem you should write the general solution, which is given by y is equal to yc plus yp. Okay, don't forget it. General solution of given equation is y is equal to yc plus yp. Okay, and I will give another problem, which is practice problem. You can do in this similar way. So which is solve d square plus 2d plus 1 of y is equal to e power minus x into log x. This is the practice problem. You can apply the method of variation of parameters for this problem also. Okay, and observe the difference between this problem and this problem. Okay, thank you very much. In the next video I will give some more practice problems on method of variation of parameters. Thank you very much.